Welcome to the Mind Body Manifest podcast. I'm your host, Laura Gilly, certified mindset and manifestation coach, yoga and meditation teacher, and wellness retreat leader. This podcast is your go-to space for all things spirituality, subconscious reprogramming, manifestation, personal development, and entrepreneurship. I'm here to help ambitious women and female leaders like you step into your fullest potential so you can impact the world with your unique gifts and create the life of your wildest dreams. Each week, we'll dive deep into soulful conversations, actionable strategies, tools, and mindset shifts that will help you up-level your reality and create success from the inside out. So if you're ready to elevate your mind, heal within, and manifest unstoppable success, you're in the right place. Let's go. Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome back to the Mind Body Manifest podcast. I'm your host, Laura, and today we're diving into an energy that every ambitious woman knows she needs, but doesn't always feel safe accessing. And that is your truth, your voice, your self-expression. And if you're listening to this today, which is December 4th, we are entering into a full moon in Gemini. And this is actually the last full moon of 2025. And this full moon is actually shining a massive spotlight on your throat chakra, which is the energy center that governs your communication, your boundaries, your self-expression, and your ability to say the thing that you've been avoiding saying. And this full moon is really asking you for one thing: to just drop the good girl conditioning, release the fear of being too much, and let go of the belief that it's unsafe for you to be seen and heard. And this is really just the perfect storm of cosmic support and inner work. Gemini is ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication. So when we have a full moon in this sign, anything that you've been silencing gets amplified. Anything that you've been avoiding saying starts knocking on your heart like, hello, it's time we say the thing. It's time we show up differently. It's time we set boundaries, all of those things. And as female entrepreneurs, this really lands deeply in your body because your throat chakra is not just about speaking up. It's connected to your worth, your leadership, your boundaries, your pricing, your visibility, the way you show up online, your creativity, and it's your ability to confidently claim what you want. And when this energy center is blocked, you might feel afraid of taking up space, fearful of judgment or backlash. You might be afraid of showing up confidently online. You might be hiding behind your posts, not really saying the thing that you really want to say or saying the thing that needs to be said. You might just be going with the flow, like thinking it's safer to just be easy or agreeable or low maintenance. You could be stuck in perfectionism, like trying to make everything perfect, trying to stay busy, but really you're just procrastinating and not putting yourself out there because there's a deeper fear of being seen or judged or not accepted. Or you might be just afraid of asking for what you really want or deserve financially from clients, or asking for what you want or need from a partner or at work. And so much of this is not your fault. It's your conditioning. It's your nervous system patterning. It's old stories from childhood where you learned it's safer for me to not speak up. It's safer for me to go with the flow, not ruffle any feathers. It's safer for me to just be a good girl. And I want to share a story about one of my clients where she was struggling because she was afraid she would lose her job if she spoke up about something. And this really closed her throat chakra down. And when we dug deeper into uncovering what the root was, we realized that this was not the first time where she was afraid of speaking up. It stemmed from a childhood experience in the past where it wasn't safe for her to state her wants and needs. She was praised for being a good girl and just going with the flow. But once we started to heal and rewire this on a subconscious level and on a nervous system level, it shifted everything. Now she was able to communicate what she really wanted and needed from her within her career. And it shifted the way that she was communicating with her partner. So this Gemini full moon is a really powerful time for you to energetically release the good girl conditioning. It's a powerful time for you to release this fear of being seen, being heard, and speaking your truth. And 2025, this whole year, 2025 is the year of the snake in the Chinese zodiac, and it's a 9-year in numerology. You may have heard me speak about this in previous podcast episodes or on my Instagram, but 9 in numerology is all about shedding, clearing, letting go of old identities and patterns that are keeping you stuck, that are keeping you playing small. But 2026 is an entirely different energy. 2026 is a 1 year in numerology. It is the beginning of a whole new 9-year cycle. So with that comes new beginnings, new identities, new versions of you. This takes new year, new me, like to an entirely new level. I want you to think about 2026 as being your glow up year. This is the year that you finally step into the woman that you have been preparing for. Everything you have gone through this year, if it has felt a little bit sticky, a little bit hard, challenging, if it's been one of those years or there's been moments in this year where it's felt challenging, I want you to know that it's for a reason. It's preparing you for who you are becoming next year. It is clearing out space to make way for better things to come in, more aligned opportunities to arrive in your life. And the woman you are becoming, your next level self, that woman, she does not silence her truth. She doesn't shrink. She's not dimming her gifts or her light to make other people more comfortable. The woman you are stepping into, your next level self, she communicates clearly. She sets powerful boundaries. She speaks with conviction. She trusts her intuition. She knows that her voice is her power. So I want you to let this full moon be your permission slip. Let it be the moment that you choose to stop playing the role of the good girl and start stepping into the fully expressed, embodied, magnetic version of you, because that version of you already is within you. She just needs you to start speaking like her, making decisions like her, showing up like her. And you can do that right now. So having an aligned throat chakra isn't just a spiritual practice. Like this is practical. It's the energetic foundation you need to confidently lead, manifest bigger opportunities, and step into 2026 with a whole new level of self-trust. So if you are feeling this activation in your body, if you're sitting here nodding, you're like, oh yeah, Laura, I feel this, and you're ready to make 2026 the year that you step into your power. If you're ready to make 2026 like the year you glow up, your business blows up, you're on a whole new career path, you're manifesting the things that you truly desire into your life, like let this be your fucking glow up year, then you're going to want to be inside of aligned and abundant. This is my signature group coaching program. We are launching it again in spring. I've been running one current round right now, beta testing it. I will be running another round of it next spring. You need to get onto the wait list. So I'm going to drop that into the show notes. You can add yourself to the wait list. You will be first notified when it opens up. You'll also get access to early bird pricing and bonuses. And this is the program where we use the chakra system to clear your energetic blocks, rewire old subconscious patterns, limiting beliefs, and help you embody the woman you're meant to be. I also have an invitation for you if you would rather work one-on-one with me to go deep into your individual limiting beliefs and fears, start to rewire that and get clear on who you need to become to have the life that you desire. I do have an opening for one-on-one coaching. You just need to apply. I will put the application into the show notes for that as well. So I want you to just take this and run with it, because 2026 is your glow up year. And if you start working on yourself now, like now is the time, you will be so far ahead of everyone else who is just starting their New Year's resolutions in January. If you start planting the seeds now, you'll hit the ground running in 2026. Okay. So if you feel called, I want to invite you to join the waitlist or apply for one-on-one coaching. I cannot wait to meet you. If you have questions, you just want to connect and see if working together might be a good fit, send me a DM on Instagram, and I'd love to just chat with you. No pressure at all. Let's just connect. All right. That is it for today. And I will see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Mind Body Manifest podcast. I hope today's episode brought you clarity, inspiration, and some powerful takeaways. If you loved what you heard, don't forget to share it with a friend who could use this message. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. I'd also love for you to rate and review the show. It helps get this message out to more amazing women just like you, and I truly appreciate every single bit of your support. Until next time, keep elevating your mind, healing within, and manifesting your most abundant life.